Hey, this is a quick video to just get you set up with the beta version of bird bounding. Okay, so what you want to do is get the test flight version of the app, open it up. You're going to want to uninstall the real version. Then, and then on Android, you just go to the Play Store, and then there's you scroll down and it says join beta. Okay, so one thing when you're done testing this, you're going to want to uninstall it and put the regular version from the App Store on your device. Okay, so after you get this beta version, click the login, and then just like normal login, but you long press below the forgot password, and then you want to switch this to staging. And this is actually going to connect the app to another server that's a copy of the regular server that we have and has all your data. It's a copy, I think, from Thursday, so anything before Thursday is on there. So you're going to log in. And obviously you want to log into the staging server. You can confirm that because it'll say staging on the login page. Fetch the data. Waiting. Fetching. Still fetching. And it should be done any second now. So the way this thing is set up, I did not nest it into the burrow check. It's just straight bounding. So there's two parts to it. There's a session. So if you do new point feature, there's a bird banding like session, but I don't think that's really super relevant right now. But you could add sessions, and then you can add the captures to the session, but that's not super relevant right now. So what you want to do is go check work, bird bounding capture, and then it pops up the form and should be pretty self-explanatory. Date, you can link to a burrow. So you can search for the burrow, or you can filter by burrow group. Pick your burrow. If you want to take a point, you click add new, and it'll create a new GPS point where you are. Right now it's a little bit slow to take points, so looking into that, then you just fill in the rest of the information. Some things in the works, just like a repeat to make it quicker to enter band numbers. Yeah, I mean, I think it's pretty straightforward once you get to here. So important things like any issues you see. And once you get actually to this bird banding captures list, so you can also go like features, work, and then from bird banding captures, there's a plus on here so that you can add a capture. So yeah, just whatever feedback you have, anything that doesn't work, any kind of gravy stuff that you want to see. All right, enjoy. Thanks.